No. The guy's about to pass your guard. Guess what? Sleeve grip, belt grip, roll over. That's your counter right there, all right? So here right now, let me tell you slow motion here. Windshield, windshield. The guy's passing. Go ahead. Windshield the sleeve. Look at my elbow right there waiting. My elbow's waiting for that shoulder. Now listen. Don't make the mistake of going for the middle of the back. Keep your elbow on the shoulder and just windshield your hand on the side. Whether the guy has the belt or the pant grip, whatever it is, get a hold of it. And now here, don't get flat. You tiptoe until he passes beyond your nose. Tiptoe, tiptoe and pull, tiptoe and pull. Is it beyond my nose? Guess what? I roll him over. Let's do it again. All right, look at that. Guys, coming. Windshield, elbow on the shoulder. Otherwise, you won't have it. Windshield here. I can grab the pants. I doesn't have a belt. All right, no problem. Tiptoe and pull. Tiptoe, tiptoe. If passes in front of your nose, guess what? Roll him over.